to my channel. As the title of the video says, today I'm going to do a DIY facial in my house. I had been doing this for a really long time. Whenever I have a lazy day or I just want to stay in home and just be to myself and just want to relax, but I also be more effective and valuable in my day. So I always give my skin a good treat. For me, like, I have PCOS and also eczema, so this two combination of skin problem is very common, especially with someone who has PCOS. We always have pimple bumps, and that's because our hormones is like all over the place. So for me to even tackle my eczema and PCOS, I really came a long way. I'm gonna put a picture right up here or here, somewhere around here, which has more space, to show you guys how my skin was like exactly 3 years ago. I was going through a very hard time back then because I was coping with my skin and my health, and everything just came together at one set, and then I had a really stressful job, and all of it just sums up and it really showed on my skin. And I learned a very important lesson back then, to always be nice to yourself. And even though the journey was quite a long time, it took a year for my skin to be how it is right now. It's been 3 years now, but I never take it for granted. I really see myself as someone who really overcame this, and I want to share with you guys too. So if you're just at home right now, join me to do a good skincare on your skin, and trust me, you'll be so happy with the result. Today is more like a makeup free day, so I don't have any makeup on, but I'm gonna go ahead and wash my skin. I had been using this skincare, this face cleanser, for almost a year now, because when I was trying to find the right product for my skin, I went ahead and used a lot of product to see what really suits my skin, because certain products that I was using back then was not very matching together with my skin, so I saw a lot of irritation until I found the Himalaya face wash, and this has been doing a lot of justice on my skin. Very good. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face first. So I like to always scrub on my nose, on my T-zone area, on my forehead, nose and chin, because this is where I always get either a lot of dryness or either a lot of oiliness. I have a combination skin, so I always want to make sure that my skin is well treated. It's a really fresh smell, this face cleanser, and I also like the way it turns out. It gives the skin a very nice finish glow all the time that I use. I'm going to take the Sephora Charcoal Creamy Scrub, and I'm going to scrub my face. And then wash my face, because the scrub is more like, it has a creamy foam to it, so I have to really go and get my skin washed. So now that I've washed my face, I'm going to use the Garnier face sheet. So much of juice just splashed out. Gonna use the aloe calming toner from the Body Shop, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tone my face. Taking care of our eyes is very important. So for me, I always like to use the Kiehls eye brightening cream, which is this one here. Have a few pumps on my under eye. And last but not least, I'm gonna use the Badescu facial spray. I'm gonna leave my lips the way it is because the facial mask sheet had a little bit of serum, so I did put it all over my lips and it's always okay. I'm just gonna leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes more, and then I'll wash it off and I'll put my lip balm later on. That being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so for more skincare tips that I'm gonna give you guys.